Types of content management system. In this section, we will be focusing on the 6 main categories of CMS which are widely used in the market. The 6 main categories are the Enterprise CMS, Web CMS, Document CMS, Mobile CMS, Component CMS and Media CMS. Enterprise Content Management System. Enterprise CMS is a system which utilized combination of variety tools and technologies that allows user to manage the organization's unstructured information between organizations. ECM is used for capturing, managing, maintaining, storing and delivering the contents messages as well as any documents which are related to the organization. ECM allows user to manage the complete life cycle of the contents from the time contents are firstly being added to finally being removed. The wise management of contents is crucial for attaining the business goals. Document Content Management System. A document content management system is a computer system used for collecting and storing digital documents or images. Document content management system actually not so different from content management systems and also overlaps with the concepts of it. Document content management systems have a wide variety of functions which include storing and structuring electronic documents and metadata, structuring, provide document security, document control and adhering to compliance as well as indexing and retrieval capabilities. Document CMS have an enhancement to allow system to manage any type of the file and store into the system. The applications later expanded the capabilities to further enhance and audit electronic documents, collaboration tools and security. Mobile Content Management System. Mobile CMS are one of the types of content management system which are able to keep and deliver the services as well as the content to mobile devices such as smartphone, PDAs and other mobile phone. Mobile content management systems may possibly be discrete systems or may be developed as part of add-ons or modules of other larger content management systems which have the capability of multi-channel content delivery. However, mobile content delivery has many non-constraints and limitations including small storage capacity, limited wireless bandwidth, small screen size and significantly weak device processors compared to other alternatives. Component Content Management System. Component CMS allows the management of contents at the component level instead of being at the document level. Components are represented as concepts, topics or assets such as tables, images and product descriptions. These components could be as small as a single word or lines of definition or as large as a chapter. Furthermore, multiple content assemblies that contain components can be viewed as traditional documents. Each of the components has its distinct on life cycle that includes the owner, the version of it, usage approval for users and usage descriptions. These information can be traced as part of an assembly or individually. Media Content Management System. Media Content Management System provides users the capability to create, manage, modify and publish contents conveniently on the websites developed by the media. Anyone who can surf the web can easily make any content changes through the use of word processor. Through a browser-based interface and a word-like text editing tool, CMS requires little effort in learning and comprehending its usage methods to become productive. This significantly saves the cost for ongoing content maintenance caused by hiring designers and programmers. In addition, managing websites with media, CMS also allows user to delegate responsibility without losing control since it makes the management of contents secure by determining which users can access, change and approve the contents. This ensures only authorized users can manage the right contents at the right time. Web Content Management System. Web CMS is a piece of web application software implemented for the purpose of creating and organizing HTML contents as well as controlling and managing dynamic web materials. A WCMS provides the advanced functions of content creation, content managing, editing and other important web maintenance functions. This software provides specially designed authoring tools that allow users to create and manage electronic data for the web page with relative ease without any technical knowledge. WCMS aids the non-technical users in making changes to a website without the need of coding expertise. It basically requires an experienced coder to set up and add the needed features first, but then allows non-technical administrators to use it as a website maintenance tool. Such a content management system typically has two major components. The first one, a content management application, is a front-end user interface that allows a user, even with limited expertise, to add, modify and remove content from a website without the intervention of a webmaster. The second one, a content delivery application, compiles that information and updates the website. Types of web content management. There are three major types of WCMS: offline processing, online processing and hybrid systems. Offline processing. These systems pre-process all content, applying templates before publication to generate web pages. Since pre-processing systems do not require a server to apply the templates at request time, they may also exist purely as design time tools. Adobe Contribute is an example of this approach. Online processing. These systems apply templates on demand. HTML may be generated when a user visits a page or pulled from a cache. Most web application frameworks perform template processing in this way, but they do not necessarily incorporate content management features. MediaWiki generally follow an online model with varying degrees of caching, but generally do not provide document workflow. Hybrid systems. Some systems combine the offline and online approaches. Some systems write out executable code, for example, JSP, ASP, PHP, Perl, etc. pages rather than just static HTML, so that the CMS itself does not need to be deployed on every web server. Web content management system features. A web content management system is a software system used to manage and control a large dynamic collection of web material, which includes HTML documents and their associated images. A CMS facilitates document control, auditing, editing, and timeline management. A web content management system will often contain the following features. First one, automated templates. Create standard output templates that can be automatically applied to new and existing content, allowing the appearance of all of that content to be changed from one central place. The second one, easily editable content. Once content is separated from the visual presentation of a site, it usually becomes much easier and quicker to edit and manipulate. Most WCMS software includes WYSIWYG, which means what you see is what you get. Editing tools allowing non-technical individuals to create and edit content. Third one, scalable feature sets. Most WCMS software includes plugins or modules that can be easily installed to extend an existing site's functionality. The fourth one, web standards upgrades. Active WCMS software usually receives regular updates that include new feature sets and keep the system up to current web standards. The fifth one is workflow management. Workflow is the process of creating cycles of sequential and parallel tasks that must be accomplished in the CMS. For example, a content creator can submit a story, but it is not published until the copy editor cleans it up and the editor-in-chief approves it. The sixth one, document management. CMS software may provide a means of managing the life cycle of a document from initial creation time through revisions, publication, archive and document destruction. Seventh one, content virtualization. CMS software may provide a means of allowing each user to work within a virtual copy of the entire website, document set or code base. This enables changes to multiple interdependent resources to be viewed or executed in context prior to submission. The eighth one, low cost. Some content management systems are free, such as Drupal, Easy Publish, Typo3, Joomla, and WordPress. Others may be affordable based on size subscriptions. Although subscriptions can be expensive, overall the cost of not having to hire full-time developers can lower the total cost. Plus, software can be bought based on need for many CMSs. The last point, good for SEO. CMS websites are also good for search engine optimization. Freshness of content is one factor that helps, as it is believed that some search engines give preference to websites with new and updated content than websites with stale and outdated content. Usage of social media plugins help in weaving a community around your blog. RSS feeds, which are automatically generated by blogs or CMS websites, can increase the number of subscribers and readers to your site. URL rewriting can be implemented easily, which produces clean URLs without parameters, which further help in SEO. There are plugins available that specifically help with website SEO. Apart from these advantages or good features, the web content management system possesses many disadvantages too. Maintaining CMSs may require license updates, upgrades, and hardware maintenance. Certain CMSs may require hardware installations. Commitment to the software is required on bigger investments. Commitment to training, developing, and upkeep are all costs that will be incurred for enterprise systems. Because the URLs of many CMSs are dynamically generated with internal parameters and reference information, they are often not stable enough for static pages and other web tools, particularly search engines, to rely on them.